Aloha everyone and welcome to Haleakalā National Park. In this video, we're setting off on an exciting journey, hiking the rugged trails of this stunning part of the island. We'll hike through a bamboo forest on the way to an epic 400-foot waterfall, along the rim of the dormant Haleakala volcano, down to a historic cabin, and through a delightful nature trail where endangered birds sing. Let's get started. Haleakala National Park on the island of Maui spans over 33,000 acres and is divided into two areas. The summit area, with its striking volcanic landscapes and the majestic Haleakala crater, and the coastal Kipahulu area, known for its lush rainforests and waterfalls. Our first hike takes us here, to the east side of the island. To get here, we'll be driving the road to Hana, a long windy road that will take you a few hours in each direction to complete. This hike is located past Hana in the Kipahulu district. Since it's part of the national park, you'll need to pay the $30 entry fee or show your annual National Parks Pass. The trailhead for this hike is located just across from the visitor center. Let's take a few minutes to explore this incredible trail. The trail is around 3.6 miles round trip and can take anywhere from 2.5 to 4 hours, depending on your pace and how often you stop to explore. This hike can be muddy and slippery, especially after a rain. Pay special attention to the roots that seem to pop up everywhere you look. If you're enjoying our video so far, do us a favor and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our content. Next up, we're visiting the Hosmer Grove Loop Trail, located just after the Haleakalā National Park Summit District entrance station. You'll find the trailhead next to the parking lot and camping area. This peaceful campground offers 6 campsites for tent camping. Reservations are required and can be made by visiting recreation.gov. There's also bathrooms and a picnic spot, making it the perfect stop for lunch. The Hosmer Grove Loop Trail is a relatively short and easy hike, perfect for families and birdwatchers. The trail is about a half-mile long, making it a great way to experience the beauty of Haleakala without an all-day commitment. This unique trail takes you to the remnants of a 1920s experimental forestry project. Ralph Hosmer introduced 86 tree species here. Today, fewer than 20 remain, including pine, spruce, cedar, and eucalyptus, which are unfortunately mostly invasive. Along the way, you'll find an excellent spot to relax and enjoy some bird watching. Here you can spot rare birds found nowhere else except here in Hawaii. You might spot the unique Hawaiian honeycreeper bird, or the ʻiʻiwi in Hawaiian, a well-known symbol of the area. With its distinctive bright red feathers, black wings, and a long curved orange beak. As you hike, you'll be treated to stunning views of the surrounding trees, mixed with native shrubland. Take a moment to pause and soak in the tranquility of this peaceful environment. Our next adventure takes us to the Halemau'u Trail. We'll need to drive further up the crater road to get here. Drive carefully along the highway. Be sure to look out for cyclists and other vehicles as you ascend the long, narrow, winding road. We'll be hiking at a starting altitude of almost 8,000 feet, so be sure to give yourself plenty of time to adjust to the higher elevation. The first 3/4 of a mile take you gradually down the mountain through a small, lush forest, where you can enjoy the beauty of native plants and trees. This section of the trail is relatively easy, providing a pleasant start to your hike, before you reach the more challenging switchbacks and dramatic views of the crater. Eventually you'll pass this incredible spot where the trail narrows, called the Rainbow Bridge. This unique area has steep drops on both sides. Take a moment here to enjoy the incredible panoramic views all around you. Here's where the real fun begins. The next 2 miles go back and forth down the cliffs of the crater wall, providing amazing views as you twist and turn and see new views around every corner. At the bottom of the switchbacks, you'll find a grassy field. This makes for a great resting spot before you continue on the 1-mile hike to Holua Cabin. This section of the trail is relatively flat, making for a pleasant walk through the rugged terrain. We finally arrived at Holua Cabin, one of 3 rustic shelters nestled within the crater. If you were lucky enough to secure a reservation, you can spend the night here, otherwise it's a great turnaround point. Reservations for the cabin can be made by visiting recreation.gov. Inside the cabin you'll find 12 padded bunks for sleeping. There's also a small kitchen area with running water. Be sure to filter your water before drinking. The cabin also includes a wood-burning stove, with 3 logs provided per night inside the nearby storage locker. For cooking, the cabin has a propane stove. Visitors can enjoy day hikes further into the crater from Holua Cabin. We're headed approximately 1 mile in each direction to explore the Silversword Loop Trail. The trail gently climbs through volcanic terrain and is fairly easy for most hikers. One of the highlights of this hike is encountering the beautiful silversword plants. These rare and striking plants are endemic to Haleakala and can live for up to 90 years. Their silvery leaves and tall flowering stalks make them a true marvel of nature. It only flowers once in its lifetime, sending up a large flowering stalk before dying shortly after and scattering its seeds in the wind. The silversword plants somehow thrive in the climate of the crater, withstanding harsh conditions that few other plants could endure. As you continue along, you'll be rewarded with sweeping views of the crater, giving you a sense of the immense scale and beauty of this volcanic wonderland. Should you choose to continue on this path, you would eventually intersect with our final hike, the Sliding Sands Trail. Finally, we're headed up towards the top of the crater to explore one of Haleakala's most popular and iconic hikes, the Sliding Sands Trail. This trail starts near the summit at an elevation of about 9,850 feet and is considered a strenuous hike. The trail descends into the crater, offering stunning views of the volcanic landscape, unique silver swords, and the ever-changing light and colors of the crater. The hike can be done as an in-and-out trail, or you can combine it with the Halemau'u Trail for a longer loop. Be sure to bring plenty of water, sun protection, and sturdy hiking boots. It's always a good idea to dress in layers. The weather can be unpredictable at times. The climb back out of the crater can be challenging, so it's essential to pace yourself and conserve your energy. Casual hikers might find it better to just hike part of the trail down, turn around, and hike back out. This way you get to experience the beauty of the crater without spending all your time and energy trying to hike out. Haleakala offers more adventures around every corner. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Mahalo for joining us on our hike through Haleakala.